Hello, friends, and today we're going to be discussing decomposing numbers up to 10. The cub. The cub lets us know what we're going to be learning and also what your job today is going to be. Students will know the meaning of decompose. Students will understand that decomposing means to break a number apart. Students will be able to decompose numbers up to 10 and create a number sentence. Okay, so your job today is going to be you're going to have to decompose numbers up to 10 and create a number sentence. Vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is decompose. Can you say decompose? And that means to separate. So if you notice, they separated these Legos. Okay. Separate. Can you say separate? Separate means to take apart. Okay. So separate and decompose means the same thing. It means you're taking it apart. Next, we have the minus sign. And we know minus means to do what? Add or subtract. Add or subtract. To subtract. Good. And then we have number sentence. And number sentence has what? Numbers and symbols. Math symbols. And the math symbol that we're going to be using today is minus. Okay, so Ms. Blanks is going to model and explain how you decompose numbers up to 10. Okay, so let's start with this. This is a 6-cube train, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? One cube is yellow and the rest are red. Okay? Take apart the train to model the set taken apart. Draw and color the cube trains. Okay? So, like I said, this is a 6-cube train. Okay? Now, Ms. Blank's already colored in her cube train. Okay, then it said take it apart, which means we're decomposing 6. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I decomposed 6 by taking it apart. So I took apart the yellow cube from the red. Okay, now if you notice here, there's 6 first because there were 6 cubes first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that I've separated them, there are going to be 2 groups. That's why there's 2 boxes. So this is one group. And then the red is a group. Okay, so these are my 2 groups. Okay, so my first group is here. And I'm going to trace my symbol because there were 6 and now I took it apart. Okay, so how many? I took away 1 yellow cube. Okay, so I'm going to write 1 here because that's my first cube that I took away. Now I'm going to count how many reds do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 here. Okay, now I can see that a way that you can decompose 6 is by taking it apart. Okay, and you take away 1 and you have 5. Okay, it's been broken down, it's been taken apart. If you have 1 yellow cube and 5 red cubes, it'll make 6. But in this case, we decomposed it and took it apart. Okay, just like they did. Okay. My first group went in the first box. My second group went in the next box. Okay, let's try another one.